and we're headed to a new place. We are moving out of Hanoi finally after 3 days and moving to one of the most beautiful islands of Vietnam, which is nothing but Halong Bay. Halong Bay is about 165 kilometers away from the Hanoi city center, and it's going to take us about 2.5 hours to reach over there. It's going to be 2 days, 1 night cruise trip that we're going to go and explore Halong Bay. There's going to be a lot of different kind of activities from what we did in that previous video. So I'm really excited and looking forward and want to see if Halong Bay is really worth the hype or is it just another Instagram scam.
So first one, this one the Akoya oyster. It's the Akoya oyster. Akoya oyster. They get the white, pink, yellow, or white color. Besides the color of the membrane. Everyone, you can see in the clear membrane here. And then this membrane, they can be divided in small pieces. Small piece, right?
It was really fascinating to see how a pearl is formed or manufactured inside an oyster and how they run the oyster farm over here. This is something new that I saw with my eyes for the first time. So we've reached Halong Bay and now we are moving from the bus to the smaller boat in order to get into the cruise. So हम उसमें जाएंगे अभी सब लोग. So we're gonna leave our suitcases over here and then the boat guy would take you to the cruise. So let's check into the room. So this is the room that I've got for 1 night over here. And यहाँ पे cupboard है. There's a mini fridge and this is the washroom. And I've got a balcony view. So let's see. Ooh. Nice. I like it. I like it over here. I'm absolutely in love with the room and love with the boat and love with the vibe of everything that's happening so far. I'm so glad I booked this trip. So the first meal is the chicken soup and it's hot, as you can see, with this view. How amazing is this? अभी लंच के लिए इनका सेट मेनू है, लाइक यू डोंट गेट टू चूज व्हाट यू वांट टू ईट, दे आस्क यू व्हाट्स योर प्रेफरेंस बिफोर यू बोर्ड. अगर चिकन है तो चिकन, वेज है तो वेज. अगर आप बीफ और पोर्क खाते हो तो यू कैन टेल दैट एज योर ऑप्शन. आई सेड चिकन एंड वेज, so I've been only served with chicken and veg, so I had got chicken soup in the first, and now this is chicken sambar. Let me take you on a cruise tour. मेरा रूम तो आपने देखा ही होगा. So let's start with the entrance. This cruise has 3 different floors with different areas and space. So let's start with the entrance and reception. So this is the entrance. एंड ये हमारी छोटी बोट है जिसमें हम बैठ के इस बोट तक आए थे. एंड इसी बोट में बैठ के हम कायाकिंग एंड स्विम के लिए गए थे. This is the entrance, and as you can see we have 3 different floors. This is the first floor, this is the second floor, and that is the third floor. Third floor is the sky deck area. Every floor has about 10 rooms, and this cruise can accommodate up to 55-60 guests. यहाँ से हम जाएंगे ऊपर सेकेंड फ्लोर पे. ये मैप दिया हुआ है शिप का. There are 4 rooms, and then this is the dining area where we had our lunch, and then we're gonna have our dinner as well. And this is a space to chill and relax. Wow, this is more beautiful. I think sunset already हो चुका है. It's just 5:15 and the sun is already set. Oh my god. But look at the other cruises that's there over here. It looks beautiful. So the sun is already set and I'm late. Late क्या हम लोग 4:45, 4:50 को वापस आए थे, and then we had to freshen up and change because we got some extra activities to do over here. So let me take you here on the last floor, which is sky deck area. And sky deck area में भी there's a room, I guess. या फिर सिर्फ sky deck है, पता नहीं. मैं भी अभी पहली बार ही आ रही हूँ. I think these are private rooms जिनके पास अलग से balcony नहीं है. उनके लिए this is the place, I guess. And this is the kitchen we have, and there's a pool table. This is a place to relax as well. And finally we are going to the sky deck area. There's no pool on this cruise. At least I can't find one. The weather is not that cold. It's okay. I would say it's about what, 25 degrees right now, not that cold at all, but a very pleasant weather, plus it's breezy. So, yeah, that's how the cruise looks like. Cheers! How to say in Philippines? Tagay! So was Halong Bay actually worth it? मेरे हिसाब से I don't think it's an Instagram scam at all. The landscapes are genuinely beautiful and waking up in the middle of those limestone mountains felt really peaceful. Since this was my first ever cruise experience, मैंने तो बड़े मजे किए. Living on a boat, even if it was just for one night, I really enjoyed the activities, especially the kayaking and swimming part of the trip. But I do wish कि थोड़ा और time मिलता हमको cruise explore करने में, because sometimes I just wanted to sit on that balcony and do absolutely nothing instead of constantly rushing to the next activity. I think I personally enjoy slower and quieter trips a little more, but if you're someone who loves social cruises and packed itineraries, you'll probably enjoy Halong Bay a lot. But if you're someone like me who enjoys calmer environment, I've heard Katba Island can also be a really good option with the similar views. And with that, our Halong Bay trip comes to an end. Next stop is going to be Ho Chi Minh City, also known as Saigon. I'll see you there in the next vlog. Bye!